Welcome to Business Central Launch Event 2025 Release Wave 1. In this session, we will show you what is new in Intrastat reports. What we want to show in the first place that this is feature we delivered more than 2 years ago, and we want to show you our standard commitment to improve existing features, so not only delivering new features, and even if this is only regulations related to this feature, but we want to work and improving existing functionalities based on your feedback. So changes we can show and we will show in this wave are based on your feedback. Okay, we have 2 new features related to Intrastat in this wave, and the first one is setting new mandatory fields. This is something what is required actually not even for these Intrastat reports, this is required even for older Intrastat functionalities to set up some mandatory fields on your documents, so you will not be in situations not to enter this information on time, and then you will have a trouble when you want to create Intrastat reports. So if you set up all these mandatory fields, you will be enforced to enter all this information in the moment of posting, or actually before posting. Another new feature is related to multiple VAT for customers. Actually, this one is not it is based on feedback, but it is enforced with the new functionality we deliver related to VAT. As we deliver multiple VAT numbers related to customers, it has an impact on Intrastat reporting as well. So changes in Intrastat is related on new VAT functionality. So now I will switch to my colleague Volodymyr, who will show you how it works in the practice. Volodymyr.
Thank you, Alexander. So we had previously 2 options to choose from where do we pick VAT number for our Intrastat reporting, and it was either sell to or bill to customer used on the document. And in order to support alternative VAT numbers, we also added a document option, so VAT number will be picked directly from the posted document. There is also a section where you can choose which fields should be mandatory for sales, service, purchase, Intrastat documents before posting. So for the purpose of this demo, let's choose transaction type and transport method to be mandatory. Yep, now let's create a sales order. We are in Danish company, so let's create sales order for Belgium customer. So this transaction is a subject for Intrastat reporting, and let's sell some chairs. We can enable a document checked fact box, so we can see our error or missing values straight away. So in this case, transaction type must have a value. We can see it right away. Let's just add something. Yes, now we see that transfer method is missing. Let's add transfer method. So now we are ready for posting. But before we post, let's just switch our default ship to address, which is Belgium, to something located in Germany. So we have an option to choose alternative VAT number. Yes, we want to get lines. Now, as you can see, VAT registration number was picked for this ship to address. Let's post. And now let's get our Intrastat report for the period, and we suggest lines. So, as you can see, we have VAT number picked up directly from document, and all the mandatory fields are there. Just can do a check. So everything is ready, no information is missing, and yeah, we're ready to report. That's it for the demo.
Thank you, Volodymyr. Great demo. And what I wanted to emphasize more, we just show 2 new features. But we have some more features we are working, but they will not be so visible on user interface. So it doesn't mean that we are working only these 2. So some other technical improvements will come related to Intrastat. are probably 26.1.2. So we are trying to improve some other things, but they cannot be recognized on a user experience, the most of them. But we will publish documentation, everything what is changed related with some or regulatory features or our technical improvements. Okay, thank you for watching this video.